Downsizing to a smaller home in old age might seem like a smart move, but hidden costs can catch you off guard. What appears to be a simple transition can quickly spiral into a financial challenge. Are you really ready for what lies ahead? As we age, downsizing can feel like a fresh start, a chance to simplify life. Many dream of a cozy space that's easier to maintain, but the truth is, hidden costs often lurk beneath the surface. If you're considering this change, understanding these expenses is crucial. One question remains: are you prepared for the unexpected? This video will reveal 10 hidden costs of downsizing that you might not see coming. By the end, you'll have the insights necessary to make a truly informed decision. We'll explore the unexpected financial burdens of moving, the costs of renovations, and the emotional toll that can accompany this process. We'll also look at the impact on your lifestyle and how to manage these changes effectively. Get ready for some surprising revelations. Consider a couple I know who downsized from a large family home to a quaint apartment. They expected to save money, but soon found themselves facing unexpected fees for moving, repairs, and higher property taxes. It made me wonder, how often do we overlook these hidden pitfalls? First, understand moving costs. Research moving companies and get multiple quotes to find the best deal. This works because comparing prices helps you avoid overpaying. Next, budget for repairs. Even a small apartment can require updates. Make sure to set aside enough money for unexpected repairs, as they can add up quickly. Then, account for utilities. A smaller space might mean lower bills, but not always. Check local rates and factor in any changes. When you downsize, consider the emotional aspect too. Leave behind memories and adjust to a new environment. This is a significant transition that can affect your well-being in ways you may not anticipate. Lastly, explore community fees if you're moving into a senior living facility or condo. These can sometimes be substantial and are often overlooked in initial calculations. When you consider all these factors, it becomes clear that downsizing can be more complex than it seems. To summarize, the hidden costs of downsizing can include moving expenses, repair bills, utility changes, emotional adjustments, and community fees. Each of these can significantly affect your budget and lifestyle. Before making a decision, take the time to evaluate these factors carefully. If you're thinking about downsizing, consider creating a detailed budget to account for all potential expenses. For your next step, be sure to subscribe for more insights on navigating life transitions, like our upcoming video on how to budget for retirement. Remember that understanding these hidden costs now can help you avoid surprises later. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to recognize the nuances of your new living situation. One often overlooked aspect is the cost of furnishing your new home. A smaller space means you might need to buy new furniture that fits the dimensions and style of your new environment. This could include downsizing your current furniture or investing in multifunctional pieces. The expenses can accumulate quickly, especially if you're looking to create a comfortable and inviting space. Consider the costs associated with storage solutions as well. If you find yourself with items that don't fit in your new home but are too valuable to part with, you might be tempted to rent a storage unit. These fees can add up over time, so it's wise to include them in your budget. Alternatively, think about whether you can donate or sell items you no longer need. It can be a cathartic experience to lighten your load, and it can also provide some extra cash for your transition. Another hidden cost to consider is the potential for increased home insurance. A new home may require different coverage, and if you're moving into a community that has unique risks, such as flooding or natural disasters, your insurance rates may skyrocket. Be sure to talk to your insurance agent about what changes you might expect and how you can prepare financially. Have you thought about the potential for higher property taxes? It's easy to assume that moving to a smaller home means lower taxes, but this isn't always the case. In some areas, the tax rates might actually be higher, particularly in newer developments. Research your new location's tax rates in advance to avoid any surprises. Then there's the matter of accessibility. As we age, our needs may change, and if your new home isn't equipped with features like ramps or walk-in showers, you may need to budget for these renovations. Not only can these modifications be costly, but they are essential for maintaining your independence and safety. Let's not forget about the emotional costs associated with moving. Leaving behind a long-time home often brings feelings of loss and nostalgia. It's completely normal to grieve the space where you've created countless memories. Acknowledge these emotions and allow yourself the time to process them. Seeking support from family and friends can help ease this transition, making it less daunting. Additionally, your social circles may change. If you're downsizing to a new community, you might find it challenging to establish new connections. It's important to consider how this can impact your mental health and overall happiness. Look into local community groups or activities that align with your interests as a way to foster new relationships. As you navigate these many layers of downsizing, consider the long-term implications. This isn't just a financial decision, it's a lifestyle change. Think about where you want to be in 5 or 10 years. Will your new home still serve your needs? Are you moving closer to family, friends, or medical facilities? These questions can guide you toward a decision that aligns with your long-term vision. Once you've evaluated all these hidden costs, it's time to create a comprehensive plan. Start by listing all the potential expenses associated with your move, from moving services to utility adjustments, and include a buffer for unexpected costs. This will give you a clearer picture of what you can afford and help you avoid financial stress in your new home. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that you're not alone. Many people face similar challenges when downsizing. Seek advice from those who have gone through the process. Or consider hiring a financial advisor or real estate professional who specializes in transitions for older adults. They can provide invaluable insights and help you navigate this complex landscape. In conclusion, while downsizing can provide freedom and simplicity, it's crucial to recognize and account for the hidden costs that may arise. From moving expenses and furnishing needs, to insurance changes and emotional adjustments, every aspect can influence your experience. By planning ahead and considering each factor, you can make a smooth transition and enjoy the benefits of a smaller, more manageable living space. As you prepare for this significant life change, remember that knowledge is your best ally. Stay informed about the potential pitfalls and embrace the journey ahead with confidence. And for more strategies on navigating life's transitions, don't forget to subscribe. We're here to support you every step of the way. Navigating the process of downsizing doesn't just involve logistics. It's also about adapting to a new way of living. One important consideration is the potential for increased transportation costs. If your new home is farther from essential services, you may find yourself spending more on gas or public transit. Evaluate your new location's proximity to grocery stores, healthcare facilities, and social centers before making the move. This can help you gauge how much time and money you'll need to allocate for travel. Another aspect to factor in is the cost of maintenance. While a smaller home typically means less upkeep, this isn't always the case. Some newer developments may have homeowners association fees that cover maintenance, but they can also come with strict rules and additional costs for landscaping or repairs. Make sure to read the fine print and understand what you're responsible for in your new living situation. Have you considered the impact on your health? A move can be physically taxing, especially if you're downsizing later in life. Plan for the physical demands of packing and unpacking, and don't hesitate to ask for help. You might need to hire professionals, not just for moving, but also for tasks like cleaning or setting up your new space. This is an additional expense, but can save you from unnecessary strain. Speaking of health, consider how your diet and lifestyle might change with your new environment. A smaller kitchen may limit your cooking options, which could lead to relying more on takeout or convenience foods. This shift can impact your budget and overall health, so think about how you can maintain a healthy lifestyle in your new home. As you reflect on these various costs and adjustments, it's crucial to assess your emotional readiness for this change. Moving can trigger feelings of anxiety and uncertainty, especially if you've lived in one place for a long time. Acknowledge these feelings and allow yourself the space to adapt. Creating a support system, whether through friends, family, or community resources, can help you navigate the emotional landscape of downsizing. Alongside emotional support, Think about how you can maintain your mental well-being during this transition. Engaging in activities that bring you joy can ease the stress of moving. Whether it's gardening, painting, or joining a local book club, staying active in your passions can provide a sense of continuity and purpose. Additionally, as you settle into your new home, take the time to explore your new neighborhood. Familiarize yourself with local amenities, parks, and social centers. This exploration can help you feel more connected to your new surroundings and make you more comfortable in your new environment. It's also important to consider how your new living situation may impact your long-term financial goals. Downsizing can provide an opportunity to free up equity, but it's crucial to plan wisely. Think about how you can use any funds from the sale of your previous home to enhance your retirement savings or invest in healthcare. Your financial future should remain a priority as you transition to a new lifestyle. As you reflect on all these considerations, remember to take a step back and review your overall plan. Create a timeline for your downsizing journey, breaking it down into manageable steps. This can help you stay organized and focused, reducing the stress that often accompanies such a significant life change. One often overlooked aspect is the impact of technology. As you move, you may need to update your devices or invest in new technology to stay connected with family and friends. Consider how your internet and phone plans may change with your new address and whether you need to upgrade your devices to suit your new living arrangement. Lastly, as you wrap up this process, don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments. Downsizing is a significant achievement, and acknowledging the effort it took to make this transition is vital for your emotional well-being. Allow yourself to feel proud of your decision and the new lifestyle you're embracing. In summary, successfully navigating the hidden costs of downsizing requires careful planning and consideration. From potential transportation and maintenance costs to emotional adjustments and lifestyle changes, each factor plays a crucial role in your experience. By taking the time to understand these aspects, you'll be better prepared to make informed decisions that align with your goals and values. As you embark on this new chapter, remember that the journey of downsizing can lead you to a fulfilling and meaningful life. Stay proactive, seek support when needed, and remain open to new experiences. For additional tips on managing life's transitions, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. We're here to guide you as you navigate these changes.